The all-electric 2022 BMW i4 has been a great addition to the already diverse arsenal of the giant BMW. In addition to its mind-blowing specs and superior performance, it has also proven its worth as a formidable opponent for the Tesla Model 3. But what does the i4 offer its buyers? And is it better than a Tesla Model 3? This is what we will address in this video. Engine and power. While the i4 2022 is offered in two trims, for the power, the car uses either one or two electric motors. The eDrive 40 is equipped with a single rear-mounted motor that generates 335 horsepower. This model can hit 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. However, the M50, the best i4 you can possibly get, is equipped with electric motors on both axles, which offer all-wheel drive and generate 536 horsepower or 586 pound-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. On the other hand, the Model 3 is also not far behind regarding brute acceleration, and even though it accelerates smoothly and nearly inaudibly thanks to its electric motor's considerable torque from a stop, it's also speedy. The base Model 3 goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, and the long range in 5.1 seconds. The Model 3 Performance does the same in only about 3.2 seconds, making it faster than the respective model of the i4. The basic reason behind the Model 3 being faster than the i4 is the fact that it carries its battery under the floor, as do all Tesla vehicles, resulting in a low center of gravity. The speed apart, the lower center of gravity also enables precise direction changes and a stable feel through curves, which the other EVs miss out on. For speed, Tesla is the champion. Interior. For the interior, both cars go head-to-head. The luxurious interior of the i4 is available with rose gold accents, white leather upholstery, and light wood accents. The fundamental layout is comparable to that of all other BMW models, but the i4 and the all-electric iX SUV are the first to boast an almost two-thirds dashboard-spanning, seamless display. The four-door i4 has a rear roofline that mimics the shape of a coupe, but it has a conventional trunk. But the interior of the Tesla Model 3 is unlike anything else on the market today. And when we say this, we are not embellishing. The interior is astonishingly minimalistic, with practically everything controlled by a monolithic touchscreen in the dashboard center. The Tesla's low, flat floor creates an airy and large interior. The 60/40 split-folding rear seats are simple to collapse and significantly increase cargo space. With the rear seats folded down, the Model 3 can accommodate 15 carry-on luggage. Although the cargo space for the Model 3 is more than generous, the same is not the case with the passenger space. The front seats are supportive and pleasant, but the rear seats are cramped and not very comfortable. The adults should not expect to spend time there. For this particular reason, I think the BMW i4 deserves a point. Battery and range. The range for the entry-level i4, the single-motor, rear-drive eDrive 40, on a single charge comes at around 300 miles. For comparison, the base Model 3, with a rear-wheel drive, has an estimated range of 272 miles. The top-of-the-line, dual-motor, all-wheel drive M50, having the same 80.7 kilowatt battery as eDrive 40, offers only 245 miles. Still, the performance of the M50 easily compensates for the less-than-average range. However, the finest Model 3, named the Performance, delivers 315 miles of range per charge. While the most expensive variant of the Tesla Model 3 can drive for longer distances than the i4, the basic variant cannot. So, neither Tesla nor BMW wins in this regard. Charging. The 200 kilowatt charging capacity of the i4 versions can juice it from 10 to 80% in about half an hour. Using the onboard Level 2, up to 11 kilowatts, charger, the i4 can fully recharge its battery in less than 8 hours. The Model 3 also provides various charging choices, including Tesla's supercharger network, adapters for DC public charging stations, 240 and 120 volt outlets, and a home charging station. And while the at-home charging speeds between the BMW and Tesla may not vary significantly, the supercharger is a Pro exclusive to Tesla. Pricing. The 2022 i4 starts at $56,395 and goes up to $66,895, which will get you the best M50 model. The M-badged model comes standard with 19-inch wheels and a more forceful appearance. In addition, it features a sport-tuned suspension and brakes with blue calipers. Then there are also the optional 20-inch wider and grippier wheels, enhancing the overall performance of the EV. The Model 3 also has very similar prices that range from $41,940 for the rear-wheel drive entry-level EV to $57,000 for the Premium Performance Edition. All in all, if you are looking for a car for your personal use, a car that you would drive daily and want to enjoy to the fullest, the i4 is the better choice among the two. This is only because the quality and the experience BMW delivers is what places it above the Tesla any day, making it the most suitable pick for any consumer willing to spend so much money on a car. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!